If your kitchen faucet is driving you crazy, weak flow, stiff handle, ugly water spots, then stick around. Because today, I'm breaking down one of the most popular upgrades homeowners are choosing in 2025, the Kraus Bolden commercial-style pull-down faucet in stainless steel. This thing promises commercial performance, modern style, and durability that actually saves you money long-term. But does it really deliver? Let's dive in. Product features. 1. Commercial-style design. The Bolden features a high-arc open-coil spring spout that gives your kitchen that professional chef-style look. And don't worry about it being oversized. The height is optimized at 18 3/4 inches, so it fits under most cabinets. 2. Two-function pull-down spray head. Thanks to reach technology, the hose retracts smoothly and rotates freely thanks to its swivel adapter. You get 2 spray modes: aerated stream for everyday washing, power spray for blasting off dishes and pans. Plus, with an 8 5/8 inch spout reach and 180-degree swivel, you can cover your whole sink effortlessly. Built to last. The body is heavy-duty metal, not flimsy plastic. Inside, a ceramic cartridge prevents leaks and drips. The water lines are durable nylon, adding even more lifespan. And yes, it's ADA compliant, so the handle is smooth and easy to use for everyone. Wear-resistant, spot-free finish. The stainless steel finish is designed to resist corrosion. It's also available in spot-free finishes like brushed gold and matte black if you prefer zero fingerprints and minimal cleaning. Flow rate. Delivers 1.8 gallons per minute, giving you strong performance while staying water efficient. Pros and cons. Pros. Commercial-style look instantly modernizes your kitchen. Pull-down sprayer with excellent maneuverability. Smooth retracting hose thanks to reach technology. Durable construction, metal body, ceramic cartridge, and nylon lines. Spot-free finish options that reduce cleaning. Easy to use, ADA compliant. Fits most kitchen spaces with its 18 3/4 inch height. Cons. The open coil design is more industrial, which some homeowners may not prefer in a traditional style kitchen. Only 2 spray modes, some higher-end models offer more. May cost slightly more than basic faucets, but you're paying for durability and performance. Overall review. So is the Kraus Bolden worth your money? Absolutely, if you want a modern commercial look with real functionality, not just a pretty faucet. It's perfect for home cooks who want more flexibility when cleaning, busy families who need a durable and easy-to-clean faucet, anyone wanting to upgrade their kitchen without hiring a plumber for a major remodel. This faucet offers long-term value, the kind of upgrade that makes your kitchen feel instantly better, while also reducing leaks, drips, and frustration. If your goal is to invest once and enjoy it for years, the Kraus Bolden commercial-style faucet is a smart pick. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone planning a kitchen upgrade. And if you want to check out the Kraus Bolden for yourself, the link is waiting for you down in the description. See you in the next one.